Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Today we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 5, Sounds of Vowel, I, bin, pin, kit, pit, lip, zip, kid, lit, bib, nib, in, ink, ink, ip, zip, zip, it, kit, kit, ip, nip, nib, ill, hill, hill, in, ring, ring, ick, pick, pig, is, ice, ice. For the teacher, let the children know short sound of I. Ask them to read aloud the words. Insist them on finding out the words, citing examples and explanation. Phonic drill. Know more words with I sound. Ein, wine, dine, fine, line, mine, nine. It, fit, bit, sit, pit, hit, kit. It, bit, did, hit, kid, lit, mid. Ip, dip, sip, nip, zip, grip, lip. This is the picture of kit. This is the picture of 9. This is the picture of zip. Let us learn. Sit, baby, sit. Sit on the cot. Eat bit by bit. The pig is in the pit. The fig is in the tin. The hen sat on the bin. Pat has a big kit. Pat and Jed dug a pit. Let's do the exercise. Read and write 1. Match each picture with its correct word. Example: kit, knit, hit. So this is the picture of kit. Nick, nib, tin. This is the picture of nib. Pink, nick, ink. This is the picture of ink. Mick, lick, pig. This is the picture of pig. Ring, ming, hing. This is the picture of ring. Pip, zip, hip. This is the picture of zip. 2. Fill in the blanks with vowel I. One has been done for you. S-I-P, sip. N-I-B, nib. K-I-D, kid. M-I-X, mix. S-I-T, sit. S-I-X, 6. F-I-X, fix. H-I-D, hit. L-I-D, lit. L-I-P, lip. F-I-G, fig. T-I-P, tip. L-I-D, lit. M-I-D, mit. P-I-T, pit. B-I-D, bid. Z-I-P, zip. F-I-T, fit. T-I-P, tip. L-I-T, lit. B-I-G, big. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. S-I-N, sit. 3. Match the rhyming words. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. S-I-T, sit. H-I-T, hit. S-I-P, sip. L-I-P, lip. F-I-G, fig. W-I-G, wig. 4. Recognize the pictures and write their name. So here's a help box, fig, dustbin, lips, ink pot, pig, boy. This is the picture of boy. B-O-Y, boy. This is the picture of lips. This is the picture of fig. This is the picture of dustbin. This is the picture of ink pot. This is the picture of pig. I hope you enjoy learning.